If you are getting Roku error 408 or 31-155-408, you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check your connection. The Roku error code 31-155-408 typically indicates a connectivity issue. When you get such an error, first check if you have a stable internet connection. You can check the internet speed on another device like your PC by visiting speedtest.net. If the internet speed is low, contact your service provider to fix the issue. You can also power cycle the router or modem. This can fix the network-related issues. To do that, unplug the modem or router from the power outlet. Wait at least for a couple of minutes. Then turn on the router or modem. Method 2. Move the Roku device close to your router. Make sure you place your Roku system near to your router to improve the signal strength. Move any other device, metal objects, or any obstacle placed between your Roku system and the wireless router. Metal objects and electronic devices may interfere with wireless signals. Install both devices where there are fewer objects and walls between them. You should keep it in an open space. Reducing the number of obstructions will improve the signal strength. If your router has one or more external antennas, try reorienting the antennas and check the signal strength. Try moving your router or Roku device to a higher location in the room. If your TV is located between the Roku device and the router, try moving the Roku device to a location where the TV is not blocking the wireless signal. Method 3. Check with other devices. Check if other devices can connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Test your internet connection using a phone, computer, or tablet that is connected to the same network. If your other device is not working, reach out to your ISP for further help. Method 4. Check the app server. If you are getting the error on a specific channel or app, then check the app server from another device. If there is any server outage, then wait for some time and then check again. Method 5. Reconnect the network. Select System, then go to Network. Then select Setup Connection. Next, select Wireless. Wait till the scan completes. Select your network and enter the password correctly when prompted. Once done, select Connect to proceed. Some Roku models like the 3920RW only connect to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal. Make sure your router's 2.4 GHz band is enabled and configured correctly. Method 6. Power supply troubleshooting. Use a power supply adapter directly connected to a wall outlet instead of the TV or monitor's USB port. You can try a different power adapter or cable and check if that helps fixing the issue. Method 7. Review recent changes. If you have made any recent changes to your network settings or database or installed new plugins or extensions, try reverting those changes as they may be causing the 408 error. Method 8. Check for system update. The next thing you can do is update your Roku software. An outdated system version can be responsible for triggering such errors. To update the Roku, head to Settings. Select System. Select Software Update. Confirm if prompted. Wait for the process to complete. Wait till the system installs the latest updates. Once done, you can restart the system and check. Method 9. Update the specific channel. To update a particular channel on your Roku device, press the Home button on your Roku remote. Then, press the right directional button. Next, highlight the channel. Then, press the star button on your remote. Next, select Check for updates. Then, wait for the app to update. Finally, press OK. Method 10. Delete and reinstall the channel. The next thing you can do is uninstall and then reinstall the channel on which you are getting the error. Here are the steps to reinstall a channel on Roku. Perform a system restart on your Roku device before reinstalling the channel. Go to the Roku home screen. Use the arrow buttons to find Netflix. Press the star key on your remote to open the channel options menu. Select Remove Channel and confirm the removal. Restart your Roku device to ensure the changes take effect. Now, go to the Roku home screen. Select Streaming Channels from the left side bar. Search for the channel. Select the channel and click Add Channel. If prompted, enter your PIN or confirm the installation. Click OK to confirm. If the channel requires login credentials, you may need to sign back in after reinstalling. If the above steps do not work, perform a factory reset on your Roku device and then reinstall the channel. To do that, open Settings, then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. Once the device restarts, reinstall the channel as shown and try to watch it, and you should not get the error. Method 11. Contact Roku support. If none of the methods shown in this video work, your Roku device may have an internal failure. You can contact Roku support and seek expert help. And there you have it. The methods to fix Roku error 408 or 31-155-408. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.